Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on GDPR MySites, which is a cloud-based GDPR compliance platform. I'm pretty sure by now you would have heard about GDPR legislation that came into effect on May 25th, 2018. If not, you can check these videos to learn more. Now getting back to GDPR MySites, first of all, it's not a plugin, so there's nothing to download or install. And you can use it on any type of website, whether it is WordPress or even Blogger. I will be creating a separate tutorial on how to use this on Blogger, but this is how it works. Step 1, you set up a campaign. Step 2, you add your details and customize it based on your needs. And in step 3, you place a tiny piece of code on your website. And once you do so, it will display this GDPR compliance notification on your website. And your visitors can then give their consent, as well as check the Privacy Center, where they will find your cookie policy, privacy policy, terms and conditions, as well as make data requests and data deletion requests, which are all part of GDPR compliance. What I liked about GDPR MySites is that it's very easy to use and has a simplistic user interface. Also, you can use it on all your sites. If you get it during the promotional period, you will also get the agency rights, which means that you can provide the service to your clients. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. You can check the link in the description section. But hope you found this review useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.